Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just go to settings, then go to additional settings. It's the wrong device. You go to the about phone, then you select factory reset, erase all data, factory reset, clear. Then you have 10 seconds to get to know with these useful informations like factory reset will erase all data on your device, including, next. Make sure all the imported items are backed up to your computer. All the data on your device will be erased during the reset. Let's get it. And after that, device will be restarted in about a minute or something. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.